Here's my baby bird. To me, he looks kind of like a little duck. Like a miniature duck, but he's not. He's most likely a mourning dove. I can't tell if he's hungry because I can't tell what an empty crop looks like. I was gonna show you that he was doing some preening, but he doesn't seem to be doing it anymore. And Tumbles really wants to see. But Tumbles has actually been pretty good. He hasn't, he just keeps trying to sniff, really. He hasn't done anything else. Isn't that right, little ducky? I should call you Ducky. Are you gonna preen? Are you gonna fix your feathers and get all clean? I don't know why he, like, wiggles like that every time he tweets. Why do you do that? I wonder if he's hungry. Go ahead, clean your feathers. I want to see it. I want to see it. Go ahead. Or are you just tired of the camera? Oh well, I guess he's not going to clean his feathers right now. Maybe later, huh? Maybe later? Okay. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I don't know. I don't know if you're hungry. I can't tell. Are you hungry? Yay! For the first time, I don't feel like the bird's gonna die. We just had a really good feeding. I used a method that I read about online with a little plastic bag and cutting a cross shape into one of the corners. No tumbles. And squeezing it into his mouth as he puts his beak inside the little hole. And it worked really well. He did great. He or she. And his crop is nice and full now. I think it's definitely fuller than it was. I guess what I was really worried about was if it wasn't empty, because they say that if it doesn't empty out, then there's something wrong. And I couldn't tell if it was empty, but he ate very eagerly, and then he stopped. Like, he seemed to say that's enough. He didn't want to put his beak inside anymore. And he started doing that little motion that I asked earlier if it was him choking. So I don't know, maybe that means he's just full. So, I feel really good. It's almost my bedtime, so hopefully it's going to be okay to leave him overnight. I read online that it's okay to leave them overnight. And I get up fairly early these days, so hopefully he'll be fine. He seems warm, although he did start shivering a little bit while I was feeding him. So I don't know if he just cools off that fast or what. And Tumbles watched the whole time that I was feeding him. He didn't try to come over and eat him, so that's a good sign. But definitely during the night I'm going to have to put the bird in the guest bedroom with the door closed because I don't trust Tumbles that much. But aside from that, things are looking good, and hopefully they'll continue to go well. Hopefully the bird will survive, even though I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I never wanted a bird, but anyway. So yeah,